We're doing a Bud Light Seltzer, pumpkin spice, 5% alcohol. This is from the fall package, I guess, or whatever you want to call
it. Fall flannel?
Yeah, fall flannel.
Yeah. Everything pumpkin spice flavored, dude.
I know. It's like you guys just now figured it out. Some were good, some were bad.
Yeah. This one's, it's there, but it's mild in the nose, you know?
Well, yeah, it's not overwhelming.
A little bit sweet. Smells like pumpkin pie.
Well, yeah, pumpkin pie with...
Like the pumpkinish kind of earthy, you know, baked pumpkin.
Like not the store-bought one, like a homemade one, you know? Yeah. Dude, the aftertaste is kind of cool.
It lingers really pumpkin-y.
Yeah.
Like not as spicy, more pumpkin. I mean, it's kind of all intertwined, but...
You got the spice, like, in the roll of the beginning, you know, and then it just mellows out, and it's sustained pumpkin. It's fucking nice. I like it.
God, I love the smell of that wood smoke, too.
Wow. Yeah, this is good. It's not too, like, overpoweringly...
Right.
With the flavor.
That, dude, absolutely. I mean, pumpkin spice is something that needs to be done correctly. With at least a little moderation.
Yeah,
you know?
Yeah. There's people that way overdo it, and it's just like, nope.
With all the typical foods you would expect, too, this is perfect for it.
Yeah.
With just pumpkin pie or turkey or... go back to the ice cream thing, though, too. This would be
absolutely.
Really good with it.
Yeah. I think all these things would be good with ice cream.
Yeah. Pork, though, this would be pretty good with some pork.
Yeah, no shit.
It has just enough of the spiciness to kind of play off of the pork. Hand-cut pork chops with peas and lentils or something underneath. Really good, rich sauce. The you know, the pan drippings, and make a pan sauce in with the lentils and stuff, kind of thick and kind of just like an Eastern sort of dish, you know. But you see a lot of these spices crossing over with that sort of cuisine.
Right, yeah.
Breakfast, waffles.
Be good with like some lamb.
Yeah. How about pumpkin bread?
Shit, no way.
Toasted pumpkin bread with some cream cheese on it, or little smokies, or spicy little, you know, just pork sausage links.
Yeah. Muffins would be good with this too. Like that whole bready type of thing is That's a good deal, you know.
Warm. Cinnamon roll again.
Yeah, I like it.
Pumpkin chocolate chip or something.
Like some graham cracker type of thing would be
good
too.
S'mores.
Yeah, there you go. S'mores, yep.
It's pretty good.
Absolutely.
Yeah.